Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel, and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you want to know more about my channel, my services, the counseling sessions, rituals or readings, please stay tuned till the end. I'm going to give you more information. Let's see how this week is going to turn out for you. Your cards are already out. Let's start with your personal life first. So you've got the 9 of suns and the 9 of moons and the 4 of suns. I do see you celebrating something. I do see you having a celebrity like status. So this usually happens when you're getting married and when you're getting all sort of importance. It could be that you and your partner both decided to make it official in some way. Either they proposed to you, or you actually getting married this week, or engagement, or you guys made it official by announcing it to your friends and family. Because I see a gathering around you, I see a happy vibe around you. So definitely you are celebrating something. Maybe you are visiting their parents, they are visiting yours. And if you're already married or in a relationship, I do see a happy energy around you. Your in-laws will be happy with you, your children, your spouse will be happy with you. You could be celebrating, attending functions as well, where you are the center of attraction, where you are getting a lot of attention from people. So all in all, if you are in a relationship, situationship or married, I do see no matter what, the last week is going to be very, very good for you. Let's see what is in store for you with regards to career. You've got the 6 of stars and the fortitude. Some of you might have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart, or you could be dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn in your career. I do see that some sort of good news and offer is coming your way, which means if you had applied for a job, you could probably hear from them. If you have applied for a college, you could probably hear from them. Positive, all positive. Or you could just get a promotion, some good news that is coming your way. Now this good news, this offer that is coming your way is going to increase your status a lot. It's going to double your income as well. So you could be, even if you're in a business, you could be getting a new client, or your loan getting approved, or some sort of good news is coming your way. It's going to give you a lot of power. I do see that you will automatically find a lot of courage in you when you hear from this person or this company, and that will give you a lot of courage. That will also give you a lot of power and authority as well. So I see you could be dealing with some sort of government jobs as well, where you get that power and authority, or just very high position, or or just having a lot of name and fame coming your way. So yes, whatever your situation is, career or job, you are going to move forward with full determination and focus, and not just your money, but your name and fame will also increase. So this opportunity which is coming your way, guys, take it, because it's going to be very good for you. Take that opportunity, go for it, because I only see success for you. So overall, if I see, Gemini, this week is going to be brilliant for you. If you guys resonated with my reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, or you want it to happen, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, if you would like to book any reading, any ritual or any counseling session, you can email me on the given email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, mentioned in my description box and my bio. Or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me, because I post all such details over there on a daily basis. The prices of each service, the kind of services available. I also have packages. I also have no contact readings, counseling sessions. So please go ahead. And if you think you or somebody else needs such reading, share this reading with them, so that they're aware of it, and go ahead and make the booking. The prices are very cheap. The rituals are very easy, by the way. So thank you so much for watching my channel. My name is Astha Sharma and you're watching the Moksha Tarot English. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.